Good morning, class. I'm Lakshman Singh with you. We have our new topic, factor and remainder theorem. Let us see. So, first of all, we see that what is a polynomial? This is an expression in form of fx equal to a0 x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 and so on, a n minus 1 x power 1 and a n. This is a general form of a polynomial where a0, a1, a2 and an are real numbers and a0 is not equal to 0. Remainder theorem. When a polynomial fx, any polynomial given, and is divided by x minus a, then remainder is fa. It means any polynomial given in terms of x and x minus a is a factor of that polynomial, then we will put x minus a equal to 0, that is x equal to a. If we put the value of x, that is a, then remainder will be fa. It means in place of all the x we will put a, then remaining value will be the remainder. Let us see one question. Using remainder theorem, find the remainder when 2x square minus x plus 1 is divided by x minus 2. So this 2x square minus x plus 1, this is fx. fx equal to 2x square minus x plus 1. It has to be divided by x minus 2. So we say x minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 2. Now fx we know, we have to find the value of f2. f2 will be the remainder. So in place of x we will put 2. So this is 2x square. So 2x square, x means 2, that is square, minus x, the value of x is 2, and plus 1. So we get 8 minus 2 plus 1, that overall we get f2 equal to 7. This will be the remainder. We are getting remainder with this method. Same remainder we will get if we simply divide this expression by given this expression. If we divide fx by this given expression x minus 2, so we will get same remainder, that is 7. Let's take one more question. When divided by x minus 3, the polynomial x cube minus px square plus x plus 6 and 2x cube minus x square minus p plus 3 into x minus 6 leaves same remainder. If we divide these both expressions by x minus 3, both time we get same remainder. Find the value of p. It means we have to find for both f3. fx are given, fx and gx are given. So we have to find f3 and g3. fx equal to x cube minus px square plus x plus 6. We have to divide by x minus 3. x minus 3 equal to 0. x equal to 3. So now we will find out f3. In place of x we will put 3. So we have put here all the values of x. On solving we get 27 minus 9p plus 9. Then f3 we are getting 36 minus 9p. This we have got f3. So after getting f3, second expression, that is gx. gx equal to 2x cube minus x square minus p plus 3x minus 6. Here we have to find g3. dividing by x minus 3. So in place of all x we put 3. We have put all the values. You can see that here. After that, on solving we are getting 30 minus 3p. So f3 equal to g3. Remainders are same. Saying same leaves the same remainder. Yani f3 equal to g3. So f3 we had got 36 minus 9p, and we have got 30 minus 3p, that is gx, bringing all p together and constant together. So we get minus 6p equal to minus 6, p equal to 1. The value of p we have got 1. Saying find the remainder in each case. So we have got remainder, that is 36 minus 9p. Here we have put the value of this p. 36 minus 9p value is 1. So 36 minus 9 equal to 27. That is our required answer. If you put in g3 or gx also, then also you will get same remainder. G3 you also can take. Let us take one more question. On dividing ax cube plus 9x square plus 4x minus 10 by x plus 3, we get 5 as remainder. Find the value of a. So fx given ax cube plus 9x square plus 4x minus 10. In place of x we have to divide by x plus 3. So x plus 3 equal to 0. We know that x plus 3 equal to 0. So we get x equal to minus 3. So we will put in place of x minus 3. Then here we are putting the value. You can see that x cube, that is minus 3 cube. Here x square minus 3 square and plus 4 into minus 3 and minus 10 as it is. Saying remainder is 5. F minus 3 is the remainder. That means in place of f minus 3 we will put 5. Remaining this we are getting 27a minus 27a, and this portion we will get 81 plus and 4 into minus 3, that is minus 12 and minus 10 as it is. So overall we are getting 5 equal to minus 27a plus 59. So minus 27a equal to 5 minus 59. So we get minus 27a equal to minus 54. A equal to 2. A equal to 2. So this is the value of a. Let us take one more question, that is question number 4. If 2x cube plus ax square plus bx minus 2 when divided by 2x minus 3 and x plus 3 leaves remainder 7 and minus 20. When dividing by 2x minus 3, then remainder will be 7, and if we divide it by x plus 3, then remainder will be minus 20. Find the value of a and b. So fx is given 2x cube plus ax square plus bx minus 2. So first divisor is 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So 2x equal to 3, x equal to 3 by 2. It means we have to find here f 3 by 2. We are dividing by 3 by 2x minus 3, that means x equal to 3 by 2. So we have to find f 3 by 2. So we are putting in place of x 3 by 2. So 2 into 3 by 2 whole cube plus a into 3 by 2 whole square plus b into 3 by 2 and minus 2. So on solving we get f 3 by 2 is given 7. Right hand side we are solving, so we are getting 2 into 27 upon 8, a into 9 by 4 and 3b upon 2 minus 2. So again we will solve it. So here we are getting 27 upon 4. This 2 will divide this 8. So we will get 27 upon 4. Transpose this side. So we are getting minus 27 upon 4. this minus 2 transpose to the left side, plus 2, 9a upon 4 plus 3b upon 2. So 7 plus 2, that is 9, minus 27 upon 4 equal to, here taken LCM 4, then added, so we get 9a plus 6b upon 4. This side also we take LCM, 36 minus 27 upon 4, both side 4 cancelled, so we get 9 equal to 9a plus 6b. On dividing by 3, so we get 3a plus 2b equal to 3. Equation number, so f minus 3 we have to find. 2 into minus 3 power 3, a minus 3 power 2, b into minus 3 minus 2. So here f minus 3, that is second remainder, given minus 20. We solve this, minus 54 plus 9a minus 3b minus 2, minus 20 plus 54 transpose this side, minus 54 transposed, we get plus 54, then minus 2 transpose, that is plus 2, equal to 9a minus 3b. So we get 9a minus 3b equal to 36. It is divisible by 3, so we get 3a minus b equal to 12. This is our second equation. So we have got first equation, 3a plus 2b equal to 3, 3a minus b equal to 12. So we can see that 3a are same, simultaneous linear equation. So on subtracting, this 3a and 3a plus minus will be cancelled. 2b plus b, that is 3b, 3 and minus 12, that is minus 9, so b equal to minus 3. So putting the value of b in equation 1, 3a plus 2 and b is minus 3 equal to 3, so we get 3a minus 6 equal to 3, 3a equal to 3 plus 6, that is 3 equal to 9, so a equal to 3 and b equal to, we have got minus 3.